In this video, we're going to look briefly at the heart, the lungs, and the blood vessels. We'll start with the heart. When looking at the heart on paper, remember that the left and right side are switched around. The heart is an organ that pumps blood around the body in a double circulatory system. Blood enters the heart from the body via the vena cava, going into the right atrium. From here, the blood passes down into the right ventricle. The right ventricle then pumps blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery, and it's here where the gas exchange takes place. The blood then re-enters the heart on the left side through the pulmonary vein, which you cannot see on this diagram. It passes into the left atrium before moving down into the left ventricle. From here it's pumped around the body, leaving the heart via the aorta. The natural resting heart rate is controlled by a group of cells that are located in the right atrium, and these act as a pacemaker. Artificial pacemakers can be used to correct irregularities in the heart. The lungs is where the gas exchange takes place. Air enters the lungs through the trachea, and this then splits into two bronchi, one going to the left and one going to the right lung. These tubes then subdivide further into bronchioles and terminate in alveoli. The alveoli provide an extremely large surface area and have a rich supply of blood capillaries to maintain concentration gradients. Blood passes through your body in the blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels. The arteries have thick muscular walls with a relatively narrow lumen. They have thick muscular walls that contain many elastic fibres, and they take the blood away from the heart. The veins have comparatively thin walls with a large lumen. They also have valves within them to stop the backflow of blood, and these take blood back to the heart. Lastly, we have the capillaries. They have walls that are 1 cell thick to aid diffusion, a narrow lumen, and it's here where the gas exchange takes place.